on just how much protection vaccines are really providing against COVID-19. 3 studies found unvaccinated Americans were 10 times more likely to be hospitalized, 11 times more likely to die from COVID.
Dr. Ali Raja is the Executive Vice Chair of Emergency Medicine at MGH. Dr. Raja, thanks for your time. Good to see you.
Thanks, Ben.
All right, so first of all, as we talk about the waning effectiveness of those shots, what does this new data say to you about where we are right now in this pandemic?
Well, Ben, Erica really nailed the key numbers. This new data shows that unvaccinated Americans are almost 5 times more likely to get infected than people who have had the vaccine, 10 times more likely to get hospitalized, 11 times more likely to die. We've seen the vaccine numbers kind of wane over the past couple of weeks and months, and so I really hope that these data prompt more people to get vaccinated.
And we do know that's important. People across the country, they're still being hospitalized at an alarming rate in some states. So what are you seeing in Boston, and what do we know about the kinds of people who are still getting quite sick from the virus?
Erica, I worked all Labor Day weekend and I worked a bunch of shifts this week, and the people that are still getting sick, I've got to tell you, the vast majority of the ones that I'm hospitalizing still haven't been vaccinated. I'm seeing young, otherwise totally healthy people who I'm admitting to the hospital just because of the fact that it didn't have a vaccine. Now, I have admitted a couple of people who did get vaccinated with breakthrough cases, but they were older and they've had other illnesses as well.
All right, so from the older folks who might still be at risk to the very youngest among us who are obviously still unvaccinated, any kid under 12, we both are parents. I know you're a parent as well. Back to school is now fully underway. What are you going to watch for as a doctor, as a parent? We know a lot of districts across the state are doing that surveillance testing when it comes to COVID and kids this fall. Are our kids more at risk now that they're back indoors in those classrooms?
Yeah, Ben, they really are. They're at a little bit higher risk. And as you said, a lot of the schools are doing surveillance testing. I know my kids got swabbed this week as well. I'm really worried about positive cases in kids and hospitalizations, especially when it gets to the point where they're shutting down classrooms. Last week, we had 250,000 new cases of COVID in kids in the country. And earlier this week, there were almost 2,400 kids hospitalized. So I'm really worried that our kids who have already had so much uncertainty with their schooling might have classrooms shut down again. And I really hope we get those vaccines to them soon.
Me too.
We do too. Dr. Raja, thanks as always for being with us from MGH.
Thank you.